Yeah,
Can I start?
yeah, please start. Gagan, now we have two more participants to go. So, Gagan, requesting you to start, please.
Sure. Hello, everyone. Good evening. So, I would like to start my presentation by thanking ICA and jury members for giving me this opportunity. So, I'm sharing my screen. Let me know once you can see the screen. Is it visible?
Yes, screen is visible.
Yeah. So, my today's use case is automation of CapEx code generation process using Microsoft Power Automate. So what I believe is like if anything is taking more than 1 hour and it does not require your like involvement of your mind, then I think that thing should be automated. Rather, the time should be spent on some value-added activity. So because of which I took up this I took up this activity to automate. So this is the existing process that is being followed in our organization. And basically, I'm from industry. I'm not into practice. So in my organization, this is the process being followed for if any department if they want to purchase any of the capital asset, they have to get all these approvals. And after all the approvals, the approvals will be sent to finance team will check if all the approvals are received or not. Then they will check the value if proper amount is mentioned. And also sometimes the requester will just mention the amount is so and so. They'll not mention whether the amount is including GST or excluding GST. And also here the thing is, since requester will send a mail to his manager, then they will not have the visibility as to where is request is standing, whether particular thing is approved by CEO or CFO, or his manager is forward to send it to CEO or CFO. So there is no visibility and transparency as such. And once everything is done, it will come to finance team. And the pain with finance team is like they have to go check one by one the mail, like they have to check all the mail trail if everything is fine or not. And also they have to collect all the data into Excel manually, and they have to generate one unique capex code which they will send it to the requester, using which requester will generate PRRPO further to purchase particular capital asset. This is the existing process being followed. And imagine approximately right now it is taking 10 to 15 minutes to approve one capex code for finance team. So weekly on an approx we are receiving 30 to 40 requests. So it is taking more than 7 to 8 hours. So I have automated this particular process by using Microsoft Form, Power Automate, SharePoint list, and Outlook. So this is the flow that I have built. So requester will get one link, and in that form he can fill all the details, like whatever asset he wants to purchase, he has to mention those details in that. And Power Automate, once he submit, Power Automate will capture those details and it will send an auto mail to manager. And manager in Teams also, and also in the mail, he will get a pop-up notification saying that this request has come. So he can check all the details, whatever details he want he can check, and if he is okay he can approve. If not, he can reject. And whatever he does, like whether approves or reject, the mail will be sent to requester, so that requester is aware that whether it is rejected or approved at manager level. Then it goes to, if he approves, it goes to CEO CFO. Then he will CEO CFO also check all the details. If he's okay, he will accept or reject. Then further goes to finance team. And finance team also, he'll check all the details, like if here the thing with finance team is that they need not check as to whether all the approvals are received or not, because Power Automate has already taken care of that. They just need to check if it is OPEX or CAPEX. If they have any doubt, they can call that person and check. If everything is fine, they can click approve. CAPEX code will be auto-generated from SharePoint list, and it will be sent to the requester. Now let me demonstrate this with the help of an example. So just let me know if the form is visible.
It is visible.
Yeah. So let me take, so requester name Manish. He is from facilities team, and here he wants to purchase furniture. If he wants to describe, he can describe as to what he wants to buy. So chair and sofa. And then if he's purchasing from any well-renowned, like any company or something, he can mention the name, or else they can leave it. If they are purchasing from a local vendor, they can leave it blank. It's not a mandatory. So it's based on our organization requirement. Now here three option is given, wherein is it a new purchase, or whether it's a repair work is being done for the existing thing, or it's a replacement. So they can check whatever suits. And then if there are more than one branches, so this is a branch from where this person is requesting, in which department this particular asset is required. then he can also mention how many quantities, like what is the quantity that he required to be purchased, and he can mention what is the amount of that particular asset. So here I'm mentioning 20,000, and here he can mention GST rate. He can select the GST rate. See, just I mentioned here per unit price and quantity and GST. Total amount I have not mentioned, which is already been or auto calculated in the SharePoint. If you want, like, if he has requirement is purchase more than one asset, he can click yes and he can go to next. So he can do multiple requests in one request. So now for the time being, I'm selecting no. I want only one capex code to purchase one particular asset. I'm submitting here. So this is for requester. Requester has to submit this request. That's it. Now let me go to Teams. So here, like, just to demonstrate it for manager, for CEO, and all finance team, I have given my mail ID. So that's why all the notifications on mails are coming to my mail itself. So if you see here in the mail, sorry, in Teams, this pop-up has come. So manager approval, a request for unbudgeted capex is submitted by Manish, department, sorry, spelling mistake, facilities. So here what item he is purchasing. So item number 1, furniture, chair, sofa, expansion, quantity 3, and what is the amount. And if you want, like, if manager wants to see more details, you can customize it accordingly. If everything is okay with the manager, he can mention the comment whatever he wants, and he can approve it. And also, beauty of this is you can also see when requester send, this mail also will be sent to requester saying that please be informed that your request for capex code is pending for manager approval. Now manager has approved it. Again, one more mail on real-time basis is being sent. Hi Manish, please be informed that your capex code is approved by a manager and it is pending for CEO or CFO approval, so that transparency is maintained here. And also for finance team, they can go here, and in the SharePoint list, everything is getting auto-populated. They need not manually update anything in Excel also. So all the details is being done here. And also see here where approval is done or not. Manager approval is done, it's pending for CFO, CEO approval. Now approval has been sent to CEO or CFO based on the organization structure, whatever they want, you can mention the mail. Here also same, he will check all the details, whatever details is being mentioned here, he will check. If everything is okay, he'll mention proceed. Approved. And now the mail also will be sent to particular requester. Hi Manish, please inform that your request for capex code is approved by your manager and CEO, CFO. Now it is pending with finance team for issuance of capex code. And if you go to a SharePoint list where finance team will make use of this, it has also been updated on real-time basis where this particular thing is standing. They can waive it. Now this is pending for capex code issue. So now for finance team also the same mail also this pop-up will come, and also in Teams. So here finance team also check all the details, and if they have the doubt as to if it is OPEX or CAPEX, and if there is a concern person whom they have to redirect the mail, they can do it. They can reassign it for whoever person, and they can ask them if it is capex or opex. Based on the confirmation, if everything is fine, they will just approve it. So here, as a finance team, I just approved it. I have not mentioned any capex code, nothing. But the beauty is that in SharePoint list, I have mentioned a logic based on which the unique capex code is generated, and the same capex code is being sent to the requester in a tabular form. So here, hi Manish, please define below capex code. So what furniture and what amount, what is the capex code? This capex code, the requester can use and raise PR and PO. And also because of this, it also helps in maintaining audit trail. And whenever IFC audit and any of the audits, if they come and ask you for all the approval, you can go just check that request ID. You can take the request ID and you can search in the mailbox. You will get entire thing in one. One is that, and also they can refer this here. Entire thing is maintained. And if you want, you can also add a date column. So here, date of issuance of capex code. So dates log is also being maintained. So yeah, so that's all about my presentation. Over to you, Julie, for any questions.
Good presentation, Gagan.
Thank you.
I'm okay with the thought. No questions from my side. Kedar sir?
Gagan, using the paid version or the free one for Power
Uh,
Automate?
it's the Office 365 like organization has it, sir. So since like it has a premium version itself. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
No worries. Sounds good.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.